Hello, everybody. It is Wednesday. What?
I didn't realize you were live. I thought you were just singing.
Lisa's here. Hey, Lisa.
Hey, everybody. Getting ready.
Getting ready. We have our 11 a.m. streaming. What do we call this thing?
We call it our live stream.
But like it's like recipes, it's like chit-chatting.
It's fun.
We love to say hello. You guys have been awesome coming over, supporting us and watching. Today we're going to talk about leftovers.
Yes.
My fave subject, and what to do, hello Deborah, with leftovers, and like your everyday kind of leftovers, and making leftovers into a brand new meal, right? Because I think that's absolutely super easy to do. Hey Devin, hey Sherry, hi Michelle. So a couple of things. We will have a link over on, we do have a link over on our Facebook page, which you are here now. So you at 11 o'clock can click right into that link. I was answering some questions yesterday. A viewer had said like, I don't have any streaming service, how do I find it?
Yes.
So I explained, just go over to our Facebook page. There's actually a link that you can click because it takes you to QVC.com.
It sure does.
Where
And
it's streaming.
if you make sure that you're signed up for our emails, we actually have a little tutorial on the emails. Like if you're watching it live, or if you missed it and you're watching it later. Wait, who wears it better?
I actually think I have cheekbones for a change. I'm just going to walk around looking like a fish.
So
okay.
awesome.
Hey, Laura. I scream, you scream, what? We all scream for ice cream? Please tell me that's it. We all scream for live stream.
That's
You're
adorable.
a genius, Laura. I'm totally using that today. I scream, you scream, we all scream for a live stream.
That's the cutest.
Thank you. I'll give you major props, Laura, okay? Hey, Lynette. Hey, Jeanette. Oh, hello, everyone. Hi, Pat. Oh, Pat's coming, writing in from Springfield, Illinois. Love. Megan said she can't wait. Elise is here saying good morning to the two of us. Amanda.
Good morning.
Oh, the green blouse. Thank you. I actually got this at Anthropology.
I love it.
And I have to
Is
say,
that where it's from?
yes, I bought it in blue and green, and I love it.
I love it too. What color's the blue? Like navy or like cornflower?
It's kind of like in between that, to be
Oh,
honest.
it
It's
is?
like a little periwinkle meets
Have
like
I
a...
seen this?
Yeah.
The blue?
Thanks, Lise. You said I looked beautiful. Clearly, you were just lying.
I forgot. You always look beautiful. So
Yeah.
that's
Oh,
the
good.
statement.
See, that's a good friend right
Yeah.
there. Anyway, we're going to talk about what to do with leftover spaghetti. See, I'm already ready to sing. Hello, hello. You scream, I scream. We all scream for the live stream.
Yeah.
Just practicing. Thanks, Laura. Our woodland mug's coming out, especially in blue. Yes. Laura's saying hi. Joyce is saying hi. Patrick, ooh, from Cocoa, Florida. That's exciting. That is so exciting. Ed and I are going to sneak away to Florida for a couple of days.
I love that.
Can't wait. Very excited. Rumor has it we might go see the mouse.
Really?
So I will tell you, one of our sons is like, are you guys are gonna go to Disney? And we're like, yeah. And he's like, by yourselves? Wait. And I go, yeah. And he's like, it's just weird. It's just weird.
Sorry, that's so
That was Billy. I was like, oh, okay. After we hung up, I go,
We'll send you pics.
that was fun. Anyway, hello everybody. Hi Patty. Hi Jesse. Good to see you. Thank you for more Doodle Doo. We have so much Doodle Doo planned. I can't wait to Doodle Doo. Yes.
Yes.
Big howdy from Texas. Love it. Still looking for pasta and salad bowls coming. Doris, hello.
Possible on temp-tations.com.
Would love to see Lisa's earrings again. They're Mary's earrings. So we both got them because we support our girl.
Yes.
In both flavors.
Unbelievable.
Silver and gold, and they're the bees. So I think they're still available over at QVC.com.
I love them.
Head over there and check them out because they're amazing. And my bestie and I gave each other a Christmas box this year where she put all of her favorite things and I put all of my favorite things and we sent it to each other. So like I got new perfume
so
that I had never
cute.
tried. I
Yeah.
sent her Mary's earrings. So it was just really kind of fun. Love the mint. Oh, just buckle up. Mint and rose coming your way. Anyway, we're going to talk about spaghetti and we're going to talk about what do you do with the leftover pot roast. So two fattening and delicious, that's because that's my motto, ideas, and we'll tweak it a little bit. I mean, we'll keep one of the pieces of bread out, and again, diet, there it is, it's the salad. All right, you guys, well, we are getting ready. We will be live in about 15 minutes, and so hopefully you'll come over and join us. Lisa will be chatting.
Yes.
Let us know you're there. Let us know where you're checking in from,
Checking in from.
like on your typewriter.
Totally. Did you do that?
What?
Nice.
Typing?
How many words a minute?
I don't know, but I can type really fast.
Karen and I were talking about this last week.
Yeah.
In the home ec. Remember that?
Of course.
Right.
Home ec.
I can't remember how many words a minute I did.
I remember home ec. There were a lot of things. Not for this story.
Yes.
They're not for this story.
Okay.
Some other day, I'll tell you about our home ec experiences. The one thing I do always remember is a centerpiece and how it cannot be blocking those around the table. I do remember that. And then there was a very rude kid who did a very rude something funny, and we really got in trouble.
I actually want to hear this
I
story.
will tell you after.
That sounds like a good story.
Okay, all right. So Stacy's saying today on Temptations. So this is our live stream. You scream, I scream. We all scream for the live stream.
Love.
I just love this, Laura. I love it. So that's going to be in about 15 minutes. You can find the link on our Facebook page right here. And then it takes you right over to QVC.com where it's live streaming. And I think this is our 4th edition. Right?
I know.
Crazy. So every Wednesday
Yep.
at 11, we're going to do it.
Love it.
Until they tell us, no.
Until they tell us to stop.
Until
It's
they
a
tell
true
us,
story.
until they get the hook, until they get the tongs, and they just tell us to stop.
They're like, go.
Ooh, that burner's hot. Okay. Oh, you ordered the cast iron. By the way, you guys, that show was so much fun.
So much.
We shared 5 brand new items, of which you love them all, so thank you. Couldn't be more excited. We have so much new planned for you as we celebrate our 20th anniversary. Absolutely incredible. Bringing back colors and patterns and nostalgic items. We put that covered rooster. Ready? Cock-a-doodle-doo! And it's sold out. So we have a lot of nostalgic pieces coming your way. So we'll keep you guys posted. But in the meantime, let's get cooking. Let's figure out what we're going to do with our spaghetti leftovers. Oh, yeah. Wait till you see the biggest bite Lisa's going to take of this. She's so excited. And our pot roast. Ooh, what we're going to do with pot roast. Almost gave it away.
Oh.
Almost told you about that pot roast grilled cheese. I mean, what? All right. We'll see you at 11.
So amazing.
Bye, guys.